So I'm in Colorado. Nick didn't come, but whatever. Got a sweet flight for $60 one way. Oh, shit. Gotta call my boss. Hey, John? Yeah, I can't come in today. No, I'm not sick. I'm in Colorado. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Cool, and I can't come in tomorrow either. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Alright. See you next week. Anyway, this is the most fucking awesome place ever. Legal marijuana. So good. Oh, yeah, also. Shit. Where is it? Matt?
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, I brought a big case of Cheez-Its with me. Have you seen it?
No.
Oh shit, I forgot to mention. So this is Matt, one of my college friends. I'm staying with him while I'm in Colorado. Thank goodness for my airline card. Free check bag. Oh yeah. So, first, I'm going to undo the tape. Oh. There they are. Oh, that's one mega thing of Cheez-Its. This is the Cheez-Its. Comes in a 3-pound package from Amazon. 100% real cheese. That's good. Sunshine biscuits.
Kind of misleading.
True. It's really just Kellogg's since they bought Sunshine biscuits back in 2000. There are 2 Stay Fresh individually sealed bags inside. Kind of crumbly, don't you think?
Probably from being on an airplane.
Yeah, good point. There's some turbulence on the way over.
There you go.
Delicious. Easy. Just the right amount of saltiness and crispiness. Crocker's crazy invention, huh?
Oh, hey, boy. You want a cracker?
Hey, so my scalp's been kind of itchy these past few days. You think I have lice?
No, man. It's a dry mountain air, you know. Like irritates the scalp. Like I had the same thing when I moved up here. Just get used to it, you know. I just got used to it. It's no big deal.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hey, what time is it?
10:48.
Oh, there's this pizza place right down the street. They got 2-for-1 pizzas, 11 to midnight. Smoke up and want to go?
Does Han shoot first?
Duh. Oh. Yeah!
Colorado is awesome.